All right, activating Kilo 2996, Parks in the Air, today on Ham Radio 2.0. What the heck was that? Does that music just automatically, that's not my music, does that music just automatically play every time you activate Parks in the Air? That's really weird. Huh, okay, well here's the real thing.
Shut up and sit down.
All right. Good afternoon. Parks on the Air today, Ham Radio 2.0. We're at Cedar Hill State Park. It's actually spring break, so there's a lot of people out here. Well, I say a lot. There's people out here and there's kids out here. Everybody's out of school because of spring break. It's a Wednesday afternoon. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's about 65, maybe 70 degrees, something like that. So for Texas, this is almost perfect weather. So today we're going to operate Parks on the Air, single sideband, maybe try to do some FT8. We'll see what happens. The lesson of the day today is to bring more than one antenna, which I did that. I brought more than one antenna, but my real problem is that I snapped one of my fiberglass masts when I was trying to hang up my center fed 20-meter antenna in a sloper configuration. So I put one leg up at the top, and I was going to string one leg down and kind of slope it out that way. And when I attached my LMR 400 coax to it, it was too much weight and it snapped one section in the fiberglass mast. Not a big deal, easy to fix. I'm not worried about that. But what I need to do is start bringing my Buddy Pole mil-spec RG58, which is a much lighter weight coax. I don't really care about having the pack light for POTA because I can drive to the spot. I don't need to put it in a backpack and hike up a mountain. So it's not like a SOTA activation. But I gotta, lightweight's still always better. So probably start using that mil-spec RG58 from Buddy Pole from now on, no matter what antenna I'm on. But today, since I wasn't able to put my mast up, we're gonna operate as a very compromised antenna. My truck is right there, and I've just got a regular HF tap antenna on the truck. You can tap it from like 20 to 6 meters, something like that. So I tapped it to 20, ran my LMR 400 down from there to the radio, sitting on the table right there. Got my trusty IC 7300, and we're going to see how it plays today. Okay, I got everything set up. 7300, we're on 14.316. Got my little Windows laptop here. Running N1MM. I'm just running N1MM logger just because I can. And call in CQ.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5, Hotel Whiskey Bravo, Parks on the Air.
I really like that record feature in the ICOM. Other radios have it too, but the Flex radio doesn't have it. I really miss it when I'm using the Flex. Never have dragged the Flex out to a park activation, but
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5, Hotel Whiskey Bravo, Parks on the Air.
Victor Echo 5. Victor Echo 5 X-ray uniform, good evening. 5x7 into Parks on the Air. Please copy Kilo 2996.
Roger, got the 57 and the park number, and you are crew 59 up here in Saskatchewan this morning. You
Canada.
Had a great day there. Thanks for the activation.
73, thanks for the comeback. QRZ from Kilo Charlie 5, Hotel Whiskey Bravo, Parks in the Air.
Kilo Alpha 9, Mike and Juliet Tango.
Kilo Alpha 9, Mike, Juliet, I wrote that down wrong. Kilo Alpha 9, Mike, Juliet Tango, 5x7 into Kilo 2996.
Thank you for the 5-7. You are 5555 Minnesota. Thanks for sharing the morning with us.
QSL, copy Minnesota. Thanks for the contact. Kilo out, Mike, Juliet Tango. Just typed it wrong. Boom. It's hard to see the screen in the sun. CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks on the air.
Kilo 7 Echo Foxtrot Sierra.
Kilo 7 Echo Foxtrot Sierra 5x9, please copy Kilo 2996.
QSL, you're 5555, Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. QSL, thank you for the contact in Pennsylvania, 73.
That's right.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf. Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf, please copy, you are 57. 57, please copy Kilo 2996.
QSL, thank you for that. You are a 5555 in Ohio, QSL.
QSL, thank you for Ohio, 73.
73, good luck to you, thank you.
Yeah, I'm getting 5.5s from everybody because of this compromised vertical antenna on my truck, which is not very high off the ground. But hey, if you can make contacts driving down the road. QRZ from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks in the air.
Kilo Mike 6, X-ray Delta X-ray Hotel.
I had a pilot there, a small pilot. Station ending in hotel, please.
Yeah, Kilo Mike 6, Papa India Hotel.
Kilo Mike 6 Papa India Hotel 5x9, please copy Kilo 2996.
Roger, Kilo 2996. I got you about a 5454 into Southern California with some QSB.
QSL, I copied the 54. Appreciate the contact from California, 73.
73, good luck.
QRZ, there was another station out there.
November 6, X-ray Delta.
Is it November 6 X-ray Delta?
Yeah, November 6, X-ray Delta X-ray.
X-ray Delta X-ray. Okay, November 6 X-ray Delta X-ray, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, you're 5454 in Hallsville, California.
QSL, copy the 54 in California. Thank you for the contact, 73.
CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks on the air.
Whiskey 8, Golf Mike Kilo.
Whiskey 8 Golf Mike Kilo, good morning. 5x9, please copy Kilo 2996.
QSL, you are 57 into Central Ohio. Name on this end is Gary. Thanks for the activation.
Okay, Gary, thank you for getting in the log. 73.
73, good luck.
QSL, thank you for North Carolina. Thanks for the contact, 73. QRZ from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks on the air. Need one more.
CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks on the air.
November 3, Alpha Romeo Sierra.
November 3 Alpha Romeo Sierra 5x7, please copy Kilo 2996.
Roger, thank you very much. You're a 5555 into Maryland.
Copy the 55 into Maryland. Thank you for the contact, 73.
73, thanks for the activation.
I've got 10. Made 10, and it's probably been 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. Made 10 contacts on my compromised mobile antenna. Running LMR 400 from the park table up the hill to the parking areas like up here, and I'm down here, so it's up a little bit higher. But realistically, it's only about, the tip of the antenna is maybe 12 feet off the ground.
CQ POTA from Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo parks on the air.
All right, this has been Kilo 2996, parks on the air at Cedar Hill State Park. This was the first activation that I've actually done on video. It's my second activation overall. Electra and I thank you for watching the show today. I think I'm going to pack this up and head over to another park because the weather's just too nice not to. 73, thanks for watching.